In this video, I'll show you how to properly make a PB&J. Most people don't do it properly. They do it haphazardly, like they don't care about what they're eating. A PB&J isn't just a sandwich you can make in a hurry. It can be a delicacy if you only put in the care, finesse, attention, and love required. Anyway, step number 1. Buy some good bread. Better bread than this. Wheat bread, soft bread, chonky bread. None of that white shit. Step 2. Buy some good peanut butter. This is okay. Buy natural peanut butter. You don't want any more than 4 ingredients in there. Peanuts, sugar, oil, salt. Good enough. You could even do with that really natural, just 1 ingredient peanut butter. Peanuts. But honestly, if you want your peanut butter and jelly sandwich to taste the best, it should probably have some sugar. But definitely don't buy peanut butter with high fructose corn syrup. You want creamy peanut butter. If you buy chunky, you're doing it wrong. Step 3. Buy some guuud jelly. Jam, actually. Smooth spread. No seeds or gross blobs. Buy raspberry. It's one of the most expensive flavors, but it's also the best flavor. You can buy grape jelly if you hate yourself. And just like in the peanut butter, if you want your jelly to actually taste like fruit, make sure it has no high fructose corn syrup. Really, just avoid high fructose corn syrup in anything you eat. Step number 4, set up your station for maximum efficiency, to maintain flow, to get in the zone. Open up your jars, set your bread out, knife in hand. Step number 5, spread the jelly. Yes, jelly first. There is a simple reason for this. Jelly is a substance that comes off a knife easily. Peanut butter does not. Do you want to get peanut butter in your jam jar? I don't think so. Jelly first. You'll thank me later. And spread your jelly all the way out to the edge of the bread. Have some decency. The amount of jelly to use is dependent on the thickness of your bread and how thirsty you are. Here's a simple chart. Step 6. Thoroughly wipe off the jelly on the other slice of bread. Step number 7. Spread the peanut butter. Just like the jam, spread it all the way out to the edge. Respect yourself. Use more peanut butter than jelly, but not too much more, unless you like sealing your mouth shut and needing to drink a gallon of water. That's it. Now all you've got to do is eat the sandwich. But there is a proper way to eat a PB&J. First off, don't cut the sandwich. Only savory sandwiches should be cut. And definitely don't cut the crust off. When I was a kid, I always cut the crust off because my brothers told me that if I ate the crust, my hair would curl. I'm not sure why I was so afraid of curly hair. No, the truth is, if you don't eat the crust, you'll be sad and wasteful. Your first bite should be at that delectable corner of bread where the top starts. That's the best part of the sandwich. Where your last bite is, doesn't matter. The rest is up to you. See, this is one reason why this bread kind of sucks. It's just completely square. It doesn't even have the nice little divot of bread top. And this bread is too airy. It should be more dense and moist. Really, your PB&J is only as good as your bread. And mine isn't that great, so do better than I did. Bonus tip, there's also a proper way to store a PB&J. If you're saving one for later and you have to put it in a plastic bag, always put the peanut butter side on the bottom. Why? If you keep your sandwich with the jelly side on the bottom, over the course of a few hours, the jelly will soak into the bread. We've all had a sandwich like that before. Despicable. Definitely not chef quality. So avoid that and use the peanut butter as a bread shield. Thanks for watching, and good luck on all your sandwich making endeavors. May you never make a bad sandwich again, or else.